Good morning. It is 4:24, 6 minutes before my alarm goes off. I've been up since 3:45. I believed it was much later, but it was not. But here we are. I have to say, I feel well rested. I think I slept only like 5 hours. I guess that's enough for me these days. Again, in my mind, battling whether I should or not working out. But over the past weeks, I've been winning this battle, and I'm happy with that, man. I even wanted to record outside, but it's raining like crazy, so I'm gonna wait with that. When I'm done working out, if it stopped, I might shoot some footage outside, but for now my only focus is to get this workout done. I have a couple of more hours before I have to actually wake up usually and get ready to go to work. So yeah, today basically, the past years I think I've been doing full body exercises, and that's something I will be doing. But I'm thinking about increasing my sets. But anyway, I'm just gonna drink this pre-workout and get ready. Alright, so the workout is done. That was amazing. I got myself together because now I'm heading out to film outside. Last week I turned 36 on 4th of July, and it gave me some time to reflect, But I'm gonna get a little bit deeper into that once we're outside, so let's go. Good morning. I cannot believe I am 36 already. It feels like the older I get, the faster time moves. I remember being 18 and it feels like I just blinked once, and I've been teleported 18 years later. I remember being a teenager, or younger than that, and looking forward to the summer break, if that's what you call it. 1.5 months of vacation felt like forever. Now it just, in a blink of an eye, it's over. I have a good life. I have a lovely girlfriend, stability, loving family. But if I say I don't have regrets, I would be lying. Not that life has been bad to me, but especially in my younger years, I remember missing out on opportunities because I was afraid. And, the regrets don't keep me up at night, but they're important enough to keep me motivated in a way, or disciplined, because one thing that I don't want to let slip away is this YouTube thing, This is one of the things I've been doing for the longest, including fitness. Even though I fell off here and there, but that's part of life. Yeah, man. The last thing I want is to live my life with regrets. And the older I get, the more I realize that I'm getting closer to the finish line. Not even only death, but the older you get, the more responsibilities you have. You might get a mortgage, start a family, and all the time you had to focus on your hobbies now have to be divided by, or amongst other things. And I realized the importance of going after your goals. It's still unbelievable, I'm 36 years old, but I am happy to be here, healthy and well. Yeah, man, I'm just doing what I love, and to be honest, I couldn't even sleep properly last night because I was so excited to come outside and record this video before the rest of the world or the city wakes up. But I am proud of myself, man. The more and more I do stuff like this, that kind of get me out of my comfort zone. Even though right now I'm a bit on edge because I'm looking around to see if I don't see anybody. But the more I do these things, the prouder I become of myself. And I'm just here to tell you that do the things, man. Do the things that make you uncomfortable. Nothing too crazy, of course, but go after your goals, man. 36 years has gone by so quickly. I remember being younger and hoping to be 18 and 18 plus, because to me it seemed like you had more freedom to do whatever you want to do. without knowing that the older you get, the more responsibilities you get. Nothing wrong with that, but it kind of takes away your freedom in a way, you know. But I'm happy that God, the universe, gave me another year, and it's only up from here, man. Baby.
Yes.
Say hi to the people.
What's up?
Jij bent gewoon mooi.
So this is what my wife did for me for my birthday. Amazing. I'm more than grateful, seriously. This is unbelievable, man. Here's what it's all about. Surprising each other, having fun.
So I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but today, the day I'm filming is 4th of July, my birthday, and I really feel blessed so far, man. I feel wealthy, I feel cherished, loved, and I have to say I have like the best girlfriend in the world. She has done so much to show me that she appreciates me, and celebrate my birthday, and I'm so grateful. I made a video a couple of weeks back about focusing on the things that actually matter. You know, you can have money, all the money in the world, but if you don't have people to share it with, or you don't have people who actually care about you, then money means nothing. That's one of the reasons why a lot of people who have lots of money just feel lonely anyway, and unhappy. Apparently there's more coming. I have no idea what else she has in store for me. A lot of surprises, triggers my anxiety a little bit, but at the same time, I'm excited for whatever is coming. So yeah, this is the footage of our hotel room. We're staying here one night, and she has more things planned, so I'm excited for that. We're at the second location. I'm excited to see what it's going to be. A day full of surprises. So as it turned out, my girlfriend secretly invited my brothers, my best friend, and even my sister-in-law all to surprise me at dinner. She actually really did that. Alright, so this is it. It was an amazing couple of days. Now we're preparing to check out of the hotel. I think we have around 1 hour left. But showering, getting ready. Yeah, man, I just have to say, this is one of the best birthdays ever. For me, it's the small things that matter. And actually, this isn't even that small, but it was an amazing experience.